Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to show trades badge on Instagram. So for that you have to first make sure that you have updated your Instagram ID. Otherwise this feature will not appear in your Instagram ID. So after updating your Instagram, now go to your Instagram. Go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines in the right side of corner. Tap on Threads. Now you will see option Get Threads, so tap on it. And it will take you to Play Store of your mobile to install this Threads application on your device. So you have to install it. And after downloading, open it. Now you can see your Instagram ID is showing below the thread, so tap on it. Now go to your profile and your thread option will be shown below on your profile. Or if it's not showing your thread badge number, then take a screenshot on this page. Now tap on the two lines icon in the right side of corner. Tap on Help. Now tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Include and Continue. Now write here that my threads badge number is not showing. Please help me to get rid of this problem. And then upload the screenshot here. Then just tap on Send. And then your message will be sent to the Threads authority, and after some time they will give the solution. So guys, that's it. That's how you can show Threads badge on Instagram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.